I got a CT122 Bobcat tractor here. I got a fuel leak here that was leaking on top of the head and then burning off, causing smoke. I wasn't sure where it was coming from because I wasn't using the tractor much. Kids used it a couple times to mow the grass, help me mow grass. So they told me it was smoking, and you could really smell the burnt diesel on top. So I'm gonna tear this apart and see where it's leaking. It was leaking on a return hose back to the tank. So I'll fast forward up the boring parts and just show you here what I went through was trying to find out where it was leaking. So here I'm going to take the hood off and take the steering wheel off. It was a 14. All of my shit. Gotta get that bottom hose off right there. And I don't know how I'm gonna get in there. And through there, maybe? I don't know. Alright, this is all I have on a Sunday. Steering wheel off. It's the bottom one. Well, that's the one I'm trying to get off. There, and that one. Got those two hydraulics off. This one's the bottom one. And it's leaking from this hose here. And where does that go? Let's find where that goes. Camera. There's that clip. Where's this go? Where's this go? down here. Alright, so here's what we have. We had this was the leak. So I didn't have any 1/4 inch OD, 3/16 ID. So we're going to see if this works with the clamp on it. It's 1/4 inch ID. It's probably 5/16 OD. Alright, I just hope that this clamp here doesn't wear a hole in any other hoses. So I might put a sleeve on it. Alright, so here's what we got. It's done. Let me blow it out. Gotta tighten that little right there. It's a 12. No more drip. So let's get this warmed up. Short bend there. Change the soil. Well, we're about to find out two things. One, if I let it cool down enough. And two, if this thing holds more than 5 quarts. It's a pair of I bought 2 of these, and I was surprised how many times I got in the spot. I couldn't, the handles were in the way. So I cut the handles off down on the one. $13.44 is the Napa number on this. ZP515. I'm not sure. OF2102. Looks the same. The Napa number on this is 1334, Napa Gold. So that's not too hot. Move that up. Off a little bit. Yeah, I was just watching a video. I was always taught tighten them up. Never hand tighten it and say I'll come back once I fill it. Tighten them up. Put the cap back on. Put it on the high side, but let's fill that filter up. We'll bring it back and check it. Top. On the bottom, it's more top. Let's see how that goes. Pretty dusty. 105.33. Also fits these different units here. Pretty close. Pretty close. Maybe I'll twist. There we go. Alright, so that's pushed in. We got the top. These things here, I always lose them, but this still has it. Sucks in there. Alright. Always wipe the, it sits in the garage, get some crumbs on there, and then you go to pour it, and the dirt all falls in the funnel. Let's see. Finally got some on the dipstick. I'll keep an eye here. I think this is where I'm losing fluid. You can see it looks like there's some dripping already. Let's see.